Well, panic ruled the final hours of trading as erroneous trades wiped out $700 billion of U.S. stock value in less than 10 minutes. Volatility surged. More than 19 billion shares changed hands in the U.S. markets. For more on Thursday's trading day and the day ahead, we are joined right now on the phone by Ted Weisberg. He is president of Seaport Securities. He has been a member of the New York Stock Exchange for almost 40 years. Ted, always glad to talk to you. Thanks so much for joining us. Have you ever seen anything like that?
Well, I mean, you know, I'm always reminded of October '87 when the Dow was down 22% in one trading day. So it makes yesterday's volatility look rather insignificant. But the volatility that we now have to deal with in our markets are kind of commonplace. Now, yesterday clearly was an aberration, I hope, but I mean, they can blame it on a lot of things, but the reality is they have built this volatility into the marketplace by changing the market structure, and it makes it difficult for everybody except those people that take advantage of that volatility.
Teddy, is that necessarily a bad thing? Obviously, lots of people get caught offside when there is a lot of volatility, and there are some questions as to whether or not market structure has kept up with technological change. But let's assume for a moment that it has, and this is the consequence. Is it bad?
Well, I mean, I think that depends on how you view the volatility. If you are a high-frequency trader, and high-frequency trading represents a huge percentage of our daily volume across the board, you have to love it. If you are an individual investor or even an institutional investor, I think it has to basically be very unnerving. I think most folks, most common folks that buy and sell stocks are not prepared for the volatility that the government has basically injected into the marketplace by making all these rule changes which are wrapped around electronic trading.
All right, Ted, thanks as always. Ted Weisberg joining us there from Seaport Securities.